Good morning, travelers. Worky is now open 24/7, the newest co-working space and coffee shop in CDO. They're located at Sita Verde, Primavera City, Uptown CDO, at Banglangit sila sa Hall of Justice. For only 70 pesos per hour, or you'll get the day pass for only 400 pesos from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. or the night pass na for only 450 pesos from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. With that rates, you'll get unlimited brewed coffee and 1 Gbps Wi-Fi speed. And naa sila'y own coffee shop if ever mag-crave mo og iced coffee and cakes, naa sila'y available na for sale. They also have monthly membership for only 7,500 and cool booths for 100 per hour or 700 pesos per 8 hours. All of that comes with unlimited brewed coffee. If you're looking for a place na asa mo mag-meeting, na po sila conference room na for only 2,500 pesos, that's 3 hours usage and 1,000 is consumable sa ilang coffee shop. And na po sila per hour na 750 pesos. Visit Worky now. Hangtod sa sunod, kita kits travelers.